Might as well.
I was hoping it'd be original.
I would have said if it was original.
Makes me wonder if this was a full replacement or if it was just modernized.
I could go either way.
Yeah.
Because the door frame doesn't say vintage.
No, oh no, but look at the inside though. It has a dark brown interior, so this could be vintage, but I don't know. Actually, I think it was a full replacement. Switch sides. Let's get off at 1.
Alright.
Ooh, nice. Like, hello.
It's funny, I wear a Schindler shirt and I get a little Schindler today.
You see, that's it. All right.